Hey guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to see how we can use some open source free available tools to test any particular website. Video, we are going to completely deep dive into the tool called OWASP ZAP. In that, we are going to test a web application and then we are going to find their vulnerabilities and then we are going to exploit them. So, if you are learning ethical hacking or cybersecurity, then this video is for you, and let's start the video. This is the article and the link of this article is in description box too. Go there and check out and follow me on Medium too. So the tool name is called as OWASP ZAP tool, and this is very famous tool where almost every hackers or every cybersecurity learner should know about this tool, because this is an attack proxy tool which is free and open source, where by using this tool we can find vulnerabilities in web application, and then there are functions like man in the middle attack proxy tools in it. So it acts like a burp suite also, where we can intercept, inspect, modify, or analyze HTTP or HTTPS request. Okay, so there is a simple concept behind this particular tool. So what it does is the ZAP sitting between the browser and web application, capturing all the communication to identifying security vulnerabilities or security weaknesses. This tool can detect vulnerabilities including SQL injection, cross-site scripting, broken authentication, security misconfiguration, insecure deserialization, and component with known vulnerabilities. Okay, this tool uses a modern architectures with several key components. Components like there are proxy servers, and we have particular options like inspect, modify, capture, or repeater, and many other things like passive scanner, active scanner included in it. So we don't need another tools to completely scrap the website or scrap all the parts of that website. Okay, it also includes the API testing, where we can use particular tools to fetch the parts of the particular website or to fuzz many other aspects of websites. Okay, step is very simple. So what you need to do is you need to go to this particular website given here, and after going here you can get a article what is mean by pen testing process and many about thing. Okay, you can see here what is meant by ZAP 2 also. And to install here you need to come downside and you can see here the download page. Just you need to click here, and afterwards you need to download according to your particular machine. If you use Windows, then download for Windows. If you use Linux, download for Linux. And if you use Mac, then you know what to do. So going back, after downloading that, what you need to do, it will download a zip file. After downloading that file, if you download in Linux, then there will be the bash file. If you download in Windows, there will be a zip file. Okay, if there is a zip file, then extract it and you can easily run the application. Okay, and if you are in Linux, then here is what you need to do. So this is a bash file and this is an executable file, so you need to type / and the name of the particular file name, and just you need to hit enter. When you hit enter, the setup will be automatically start downloading. I have did first only, so I am not going to do it again. So after that, what you need to do is you need to come here and just type ZAP, and now you can see the installer here. Just click here and now the application will start. Wait for a minute. Now, as the application is started, you can see here we have automated scan, manual exploration. Manual is something like you need to enter the particular URL of the website and just launch the browser. And how we do manual pen testing, that only way we can test our website here. So instead of going manual way, I can go back and I will go automated scan, and Hindu is I can enter my website name in a automated scan section. So .1. Okay, as we enter the URL for that app, after that we have a scan policy. This is the default only. Okay, keep it default, or if you want you can change it. Okay, I just want to keep it as pen test only. I will keep it. And after that you need to use the traditional spider, and here instead of client spider you need to use Ajax spider. Okay, this is a modern spider. Nowadays we are using it. It has all the directories and all the paths to fuzz the particular website. Okay, so we will keep here as Firefox browser only and attack. This might take some time So as you can see here, the scanner has been started scanning multiple paths for the website. It started finding vulnerabilities, and it started finding vulnerabilities like XSS, cross-site scripting, or CSRF, or SQL injection, and many different vulnerabilities. So to see that, what you can do, you can click here, and as you can see here, there is an analyzers like path traversal, remote file inclusion, source code disclosure, remote code execution, and many more things. Okay, and this is going to process, so it might take some time. So we will wait for a while. We can cancel it out, and we can explore another options. Like as I said that we have burp suite options, like we have options like repeater, response, request, history, and many more. Like this type of options are also available in burp suite too. Okay, so we will go inside section, and here we can see all overview of our site. We can see what type of things are there here, which type of get and post requests are available. Okay, and after that we can see the history. Here we can search for particular file. Here are the alerts. Till now the particular scanner has finded this type of alerts in this website. Okay, we will check after some time here. We will then, after that, then we have a requester, and here we can easily make the request and see what type of response we get here. So this particular tool, or this particular thing is being used while manual pen testing. Okay, then we have option called as output, and here we get the output. Okay, and then there's another option called as spider, and this spider, this is interesting. Why? Because we use tools like GoBuster, Derbuster to find multiple parts of the particular website, but by using this one tool only, we got many different URLs and many different parts of one website, and this is very helpful. We can easily fetch sensitive information if the website is carrying. Okay, and then after, there is a last option, that is active scan, which we are going here, which is going on. And here we can see, let's see. Okay, we have more to test here. Now we'll cancel it out, and then we can output this also. Okay, here is the option called as generate report. When we click on this, it will generate a full pen test report, which is very standard and which is very interesting. We will see it after some time. And there are many more options that you can go and explore it on yourself and try to see how this particular tool is been working, or how we can find more vulnerabilities using this tool. Okay, as we can see here, our scanner process is completed, and we got many things here. But now what we need to do is we need to see the alert section here. And now as you can see here, the alert sections are strategically 0 only for all the particular vulnerabilities shown here, but for only user agent fuzzer, and it shows 156 alerts. I don't know why it shows that in that way, but there is another way to check too. So let's go there and let's check it. So we'll cancel it out, and then we will go into the alert section here. And as you can see here, we got the first alert is cross-site scripting, and in that we have curly brackets called as persistence. I don't know why this means, but to check that this is particularly valid or not, what we need to do is we need to check the website on our Firefox browser to see actually what is happening with this page. So we can copy the URL here, and we will go in browser, and here we will just paste the URL and just hit enter. And as we hit entered, you can see here we got a pop-up. That means the result that's shown, the particular alert that we got here is real and it is validated. And as you can see here, the particular payload was used of the XSS was this particular. In div tag, there was an alert script. Okay, so we can see here what is the solution for this also. Then we got a description about what the attackers can do with this technique, and this is the URL source and many more things. After that, we have second alert, that is same cross-site scripting only, but in this, the curly bracket this time is reflected. Okay, that means there is something that is being reflected. So I think that might be have a comment box form in that only, or it may have a particular search input field, in that only it gets reflected. Okay, so we'll copy this payload only. Okay, we'll go back to the Firefox, we'll do okay, and here, as you can see here, we can type something. For now we will type IoT, and hit enter. As you can see here, the IoT result is 0. Okay, no, it is one article, it shows one article matched, and here is the IoT firmware article. So now we will include our payload here. As you can see here, our particular query has been reflected in URL2. So what we can do is we can enter our particular XSS payload here only, and we will check that does this particular thing is valid or not, and hit enter. And as you can see here, we got the alert, and this is also a real alert that is shown in this particular tool. Okay, so as we got the pop-up here, now we will go back to the Zap tool and we will see here what is the next alerts. In this only we have many alerts on different paths. Okay, if we see, this is on a digest where the name field is there, and in that we included the particular tool included the payload, and it got reflected. So there are many things to explore here. There are many paths too here, like there is zero trust explained, comment box also. So what we can do is we will go and try it manually. Okay, then we will copy this, we will go back, and we will go on any article. Okay, as I told you that the Zap tools is configured with my Firefox browser, so this particular full application is also being configured. So whenever I click on any article, this is going to give me a pop-up only, because already it got results all into this particular proxy tool. Okay, so okay, then okay. Okay, and as you can see here, we have comment box here. So we are going to try it practically. So what I can enter here, I can enter a name as YouTube, and then something like this, and then enter, and then I will enter the particular payload of applications, and I will try to get an alert. What I can do is, instead of giving in a one alert, you are hacked. Then I will post the comment. As I posted the comment, I got the alert that you are a hacker. And this is the better way to understand what is meant by cross-site scripting through this. We'll enter, and if I go back, if I reload this page also, then also it will give me an alert all the time. Okay, I will just reload this page, and you can see here, you are a hack. Okay, that means the particular comment that is been posted on this has been exploited and is being executed on the server. So as you can see here, the Zap proxy tool has tried many of things here on this. So you can see here many different comments available on this. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video on next topic. Till then, bye.